I'm John Littler from INFINITI HR. I recently watched a company pay $52,000 to settle a wage complaint. Not because they violated the law, but because they couldn't produce the documentation to defend themselves. As the National Director for Strategic Partnerships, I spend a lot of time with CFOs and business advisors who are helping companies grow. One thing we see consistently is that HR systems don't always scale as fast as the business does. When processes get fragmented, records live in too many places and documentation becomes inconsistent. Small gaps turn into real business risk. The good news is this doesn't require a massive overhaul. In most cases, a simple process reset makes a meaningful difference. I'm going to share 2 places to start. First, figure out where your HR information really lives. I know that sounds obvious, but ask yourself, where are your employee files, time off requests, performance reviews, I-9s, and benefit forms? If you just thought of 5 different places, you've identified the problem. That's how companies get burned in audits. No consistency or reliable source of record. The fix isn't complicated. Pick one place for each type of document, move everything there, make everyone use it. You don't need fancy software. Second, build a documentation discipline. If it's not documented, it didn't happen. Here's the standard. Anything involving pay, time, performance, discipline, and leave gets documented within 24 hours. Not essays, simple records, a 2-line email summary, or a note in your system. Make documentation part of the workflow. If a conversation happens, a follow-up gets created. When a decision is made, a record gets logged every time. Look, good HR systems won't prevent every problem, but they stop small issues from becoming expensive ones. At INFINITI HR, we work with advisors and leadership teams to simplify and scale HR operations. If you're not confident if you can produce your records tomorrow, let's talk about what a reset looks like for your business. For more on current employment trends, check out our blog at INFINITIHR.com.